The Panigale Twin flaunts a simple design and clear-cut lines with sophisticated electronics that make it equally high-performance and enjoyable on both road and track. The new black-on-black livery transmits power at first glance, as well as even more audacious style. The twin-cylinder Panigale has a completely new look and refined electronics thanks to the use of the Inertial Platform, and is even better performing and safer on the track, not to mention fully exploitable and enjoyable on the road thanks to a more comfortable seat and revised suspension setup. Its name lets the lovers of Borgo Panigale twin cylinders know that the model is powered by the 955cc Superquadro. Fun on the road, performance and safety on the track. The Panigale V2 is a beefy yet compact bike of essential design with clear-cut lines that convey power without compromising classic Ducati superbike flair. A simple design with clear-cut lines that convey power without compromising classic Ducati superbike flair. The Panigale V2 features the single-sided aluminum swingarm, the hallmark of every high-end sports Ducati. The extensive fairing envelopes the refined monocoque frame, highlighting a more compact Superquadro twin-cylinder engine. Smaller in comparison to the Desmosedici Stradale. A main fairing extends upwards and merges into the tank with its muscular shoulders, while a secondary layer serves as an air vent. This double-layer solution revives the clean lines typical of Ducati sports bikes, famed for their full fairing look. The fairing underside is visually connected to the under-engine silencer, which terminates in a single lateral pipe. Dominating the front end are the two large air intakes, the upper parts of which incorporate the full LED headlight. The front vents merge with the air intake layout via ducts that reduce pressure loss, thus boosting intake efficiency. The headlight is reduced in size with the specific intention of giving the intakes themselves, especially with the bike at standstill, a more menacing air, like two enormous mouths. The tail is built on a steel trellis subframe lined with plastic covers that runs from the vertical cylinder to the tailpiece, the wing design of which is inspired by a car spoiler. The tailpiece incorporates the full LED taillight, also wing-shaped. Although it has a one-piece assembly, the light has two distinct parts in line with Ducati sports bike tradition. Compact muscular lines for high-level performance complete with sophisticated electronics, designed to offer the rider complete riding freedom in total safety. The new color scheme highlights the audacious character of the Panigale V2. The predominance of dark matte gray is broken up with glossy black elements, for a refined and attractive overall look. The livery is finished with the Panigale V2 logo and subtle red details on the tank fairings and wheels. The black-on-black livery also brings a new look seat featuring updated graphics and materials. The Panigale V2 effortlessly fuses sportiness and elegance, instantly capturing attention with its powerful presence. Crafted by Ducati technicians through extensive research, this super sports bike from Borgo Panigale offers track riding enthusiasts an unparalleled experience, delivering remarkable performance and evoking a range of unique emotions. The Panigale V2, characterized by compact and muscular lines, is equipped with sophisticated electronics, designed to let the rider exploit its performance in total safety. The new standard Pirelli Diablo Rosso IV Casa tires also confirm the true sports bike DNA. For 2024, Ducati updates the color range of the Panigale V2 with a new black-on-black livery, which accompanies the classic Ducati red. A sporty style that integrates fully with the power expressed by the Panigale V2 engine. The 955cc Superquadro twin-cylinder. The Superquadro is as enjoyable to ride on the road as it is powerful and responsive on the track with its 155 horsepower at 10,750 revolution per minute and a torque value of 76 7-pound-feet at 9,000 revolution per minute. The Panigale V2 mounts two injectors per cylinder, one above and one below the throttle body, larger and re-angled. Despite having the same flow rate, the intake ducts lose less pressure than their predecessors, improving intake efficiency. The Panigale V2 engine acts as a stressed member of the frame. Set 90 degrees apart, the cylinders are banked rearwards around the crankshaft axis, resulting in a 21 degrees angle between front cylinder and horizontal plane. The two cylinder heads and aluminium top covers feature a ribbed design to reduce mechanical noise. The crankcases are vacuum die-cast, using vacuole technology to optimize weight saving and ensure consistent wall thickness and increased strength. The crankcase cover, clutch cover and sump are all in die-cast aluminum. Transmission involves a 6-speed gearbox with the Ducati Quick Shift Up-Down Evo system and a wet clutch. The latter comes complete with an anti-patter and progressive self-servo mechanism.